Jay here. Today's countdown, hide and seek. Where only one side understands the rules. At 5, the jump scare. Patience, timing, totally worth it. At 4, the box hider. If I can't see you, then this is working perfectly. At 3, the drawer specialist. This is not hiding, this is commitment. At 2, the cushion blend-in. Same color, same texture. Practically invisible. And at 1, the decor disguise. Hiding in plain sight. Bold, confident, deeply suspicious. See you next time on the Feline Countdown. Take care. Jay out.